We're going to cover two topics. One is the one which is written here, conjectures, theorems, proof, and mathematical reasoning. And then we are going to also do negation of a statement. These two topics which we are going to do today. So, what is a conjecture? It's like an intelligent guess, right? So, for example, you've been given certain concept and you're trying to guess. For example, एक सर्कल है, उस पे एक पॉइंट 1 है, एक दूसरा सर्कल है, उस पे 2 पॉइंट्स हैं, एक तीसरा सर्कल है, उस पे 3 पॉइंट्स हैं. So what we are saying is that this one point, there is only one like area as such. 2 points, it's dividing the circle into 2. 3 points, if we join this, it's dividing the circle into 1, 2, 3, 4 पार्ट्स, राइट? 4 हो गया ना पार्ट्स. हाँ, अब ऐसे ही अगर 4 पॉइंट्स हैं, सो लेट्स जॉइन ऐसा, लेट्स जॉइन so how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, right? 8 parts हो गए. So हम क्या गैस कर सकते हैं कि 1 पॉइंट है तो 1 हो गया, 2 पॉइंट है तो 2 हो गए, 3 पॉइंट है तो एक्चुअली 4 हो गए, और 4 पॉइंट है तो 8 हो गए. तो क्या प्रूव कर सकते हैं? एक कोई कंजेक्चर हो सकता है कि the relation is 2 to the power n minus 1. So if you put here, actually we put these numbers, like where n is this and 2 to the power n minus 1. So we can see that's actually true here. 1 dala, 2, 1 minus 1, 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 dala, तो 2 to the power 2, 2, 3 dala, to 2 to the power 3 minus 2, 4, 4 डाला तो 4 minus 2 to the power 8. बट जब 5 डाला और जब 6 डाला, लेट्स सी पुट 5 हियर, आई थिंक 5 में भी शायद सही आया, 2 to the power 4 to the power 5 to the power 4 16 हो जाएगा, राइट? एंड आई थिंक 2 to the power 6 में जाएंगे तो गलत आने लगेगा, 6 7 इन सब में गलत आने लगेगा. तो दैट मीन्स दिस इज रॉन्ग कंजेक्चर. So either what you can do is that you make a guess and then try to exhaust it, and even when you get one point where it's wrong, then that means your guess is conjecture is wrong. So single this thing. So how do you want to prove? जैसे we had done in AP chapter that we had done in AP chapter. In fact हम लोग ये चीज़ करते रहते हैं, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 n plus n is what? n plus 1 by 2. How had we done? We had then written it in reverse order, right? ऐसे करके हमने किया था, है ना? और फिर इसको ऐड किया था, तो n plus 1 जो है वो आपका n टाइम्स आ रहा था, एंड ये जो है इस साइड 2 से इन दोनों को ऐड अगर कर देंगे तो 2s जो है, तो s जो है आपका n plus 1 by 2 आ गया था. तो ये हमने प्रॉपरली फाइंड आउट किया है, वैलिड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स डाले हैं. सो दीज आर सम डिडक्टिव मेथड्स ऑफ टेकिंग आउट. सो लेट्स डू वन क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक ये भी हमने किया हुआ है, जैसे कि वी हैड डन दैट √2 इज रैशनल. एक्चुअली ये नहीं है, वी हैड डन सम क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सी. For example, x and y are rational numbers. So we have to prove that the sum of the rational number is also rational. ठीक है? So we can denote x as m by n, where n is not equal to 0, y as p by q, where q is not equal to 0, m, n, p, q all are integers. ठीक है? तो जब हम ऐड करेंगे क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? mq प्लस np डिवाइडेड बाय nq. We know n is not equal to 0, q is not equal to 0, so nq is not equal to 0, and we know all of this is integer, so that means this is rational. इस तरह से प्रूव हुआ ये क्वेश्चन. राइट? एक और तरह से हम क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हैं, जैसे द क्वेश्चन इज prove that sum of two consecutive odd integers is divisible by 4. This is the question. How do you solve this? Let's consider this. Let's consider a as the first order integer and the second order integer is a plus 2. Consecutive है ना, तो plus 2. अभी इनका sum, if you take the sum, it becomes 2a plus 1. Right? So एक 2 factor तो already है ही. Now a plus 1 will be an even number. राइट, बिकॉज ऑड नंबर में 1 ऐड करोगे इवन नंबर बन जाएगा. इवन नंबर का मतलब ही है कि इट कैन आइदर बी 2, 4, 6, इट विल बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. सो बेसिकली 2 इंटू मल्टीपल ऑफ 2, सो बेसिकली 4, राइट, 4k की तरह कह सकते हो. बेसिकली इसको कैसे लिख सकते हो, 2 इंटू 2k, सो विच बिकम्स 4k. 4k है तो इट्स ऑब्वियसली डिविजिबल बाय 4. Understood? Let's do the another question. It's given that p is a prime number and greater than or equal to 5. So it could be 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, right? 29, 31, 37. ये सब हो सकता है, ठीक है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. मैंने सारे लिख दिए ऐसे, सारे एज इन कुछ लिख दिए. Now you have to prove that p square plus 2 is divisible by 3, right? Divisible by 3. So what is p square? How can we express p, any prime which is greater than 5, greater than or equal to 5? How can we express this? Before going there, there's another concept that we need to see. That any prime greater than or equal to 3 can be expressed as 6k plus 1 or 6k plus 5. ये हमारा एग्जाम्पल. तो पहले हम एग्जाम्पल 11 कर लेते हैं. एवरी प्राइम नंबर, एक्चुअली नॉट ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, ओनली ग्रेटर देन 3 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन दिस वे, वेयर k is some integer. So how do we do this? पहले इसको कर लेते हैं, फिर हम इस क्वेश्चन में जाएंगे जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं. So let p be a prime number greater than 3. Now if we divide p by 6, so p किस फॉर्म का हो सकता है? जनरली भी देखो, अभी हम p को प्राइम नहीं मान रहे हैं. p क्या क्या हो सकता है? p can be 6k, p can be 6k plus 1, p can be 6k plus 2, p can be 6k plus 3, p can be 6k plus 4, p can be 6k plus 5. How are we expressing this? Let's just consider 6. ये 6 है, k अगर 1 है, ये 7 है, k अगर 1 है, 8, 9, 10 and 11. That's how we have expressed for k equal to 1. If k is 0, then this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Right? So what are we trying to say here? So this is a form in which p can be expressed, right? ये है जिस फॉर्म में हम p को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. एंड जब 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर्स व्हाटएवर आएंगे, राइट? डिविजिबल होगा या नहीं होगा व्हाटएवर. बट अभी हमने क्या बोला कि p प्राइम नंबर है ग्रेटर देन 3, तो इट इज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस दैट इट कैन नॉट बी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 6. दैट दिस इज रॉन्ग. In this case, how can this be written as 2 into 3k plus 1? This is also wrong, right? Because it's a multiple of 2. This can be expressed as 3 into 2k plus 1. Wrong. Multiple of 3. 2 into 3k plus 2. Wrong. Multiple of 2. So the only this, ये चला गया, ये चला गया, ये चला गया, सिर्फ ये बचा. So prime number, any prime number greater than 3 can be expressed like this. That is what we have proved. We have arrived at by eliminating the other options. So now in this question, we are saying that, so what is P? So let's assume when P is this. First case, 6k plus 1. ठीक है, इसको एक्सपैंड करते हैं 36k स्क्वायर प्लस 12k प्लस 1 प्लस 2. ठीक है, ये क्या हो गया 3. सो लेट्स लुक एट इंडिविजुअली. When we divide this by 3, ये 3 का मल्टीपल है 36 है, ये 3 का मल्टीपल है 12 है, ये 3 का मल्टीपल है, तो it's true, right? Now let's express P as 6k plus 5. So this is a 36k square, I think similar to how we did just now. 5 into 6, 30 into 2, 60k plus 25 plus 2. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, 25 raised to 7 divisible by 3. Hence this is divisible by 3 and hence this statement is true. Okay. I think fourth question और sixth question बहुत ही simple है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि x एक रैशनल नंबर है, y एक रैशनल नंबर है, तो x y को प्रूव करना है रैशनल है. ये वैसे ही हो जाएगा. आप a by b डाल लेना, m by n डाल लेना, you know, b not equal to 0, n not equal to 0. These are all integers. को मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे तो कर लोगे. सिक्स क्वेश्चन भी बहुत सिंपल है. इट जस्ट सेज दैट एक ट्राइंगल है, उसमें अगर कोई एक लाइन है DE विच इज पैरेलल टू द थर्ड साइड, प्रूव वो जो प्रपोर्शन वाला था ना AD by DB, ये किया हुआ है हमने ट्राइंगल्स में, तो ये भी क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा आपका. Okay, so we are beginning with the next topic of this chapter, which is negation of statement. इसके बाद I think there will be 2 topics left: converse of a statement and proof by contradiction, which I'm going to pick up in the next classes. For this class, day 2 of this chapter today, we are going to keep it till here. Now, इसमें बहुत ही simple, if I want to explain, is that there are 2 statements given. Okay, let's express a statement by P. Negation of the statement is first of all represented like this, and what it means is that if this is true, then this is false, and vice versa. They cannot overlap. This will express all the scenarios which can never be present in this scenario, and this will express the scenarios which can never be present in this. Okay, so how do you express this? You've been given a statement: triangle ABC is equilateral. Either you just insert the word not, right? So you can say the negation of the statement is triangle ABC is not equilateral. Man is mortal. The negation of the statement will be man is not mortal. Now the question or the confusion comes when it has words such as all, some. So how do we look at this? One way it is to say we need to understand the meaning of this, and we have to then produce a statement which contradicts this, which is not contradicts, sorry, it negates this. All teachers are male means that all the teachers in existence are male, right? So the negation would be it is false that all teachers आर मेल. एक ये कह सकते हैं हम, एक इस तरह से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं इसके नेगेशन को. द अदर एक्सप्रेस कुड बी, नाउ यू कुड ऑल्सो से, जैसे वी जस्ट डिड दैट ऑल टीचर्स आर नॉट मेल, एंड देन देयर कुड ऑल्सो बी नॉट ऑल टीचर्स आर मेल. सो नाउ लेट अस लुक एट दिस केयरफुली. I don't know why the writing is going all haywire. This is one way to express this. All teachers are not male means all teachers are not male. It means that all teachers are female. Net, that's what we are trying to say. Or basically, not of male gender, so it could be female or the other gender. We're basically counting out the, ruling out the possibility of them being male at all. But that's not the statement. The statement is that सिर्फ male ही है. That's the statement. So we need to make a statement that ऐसा सही नहीं है. मेल भी हैं बट और भी हो सकते हैं. That's the negation. So not all teachers are male. That's one way to write it. So you need to make the modification as such, right? All teachers are male. It's false that all teachers are male, right? So this one can confuse, right? So similarly, there's a question in the exercise, okay, which says that all integers are rational numbers. So we can just say not all integers are rational numbers. उतना कह के आप खत्म कर दो. Basically, what we are saying is all we have to write it in this way. Okay. Let's look at sum. Sum में भी थोड़ा confusion हो जाता है. Some rational numbers are integers. So which means that some rational numbers are integers. So what will be the negation of it? It is false that some rational numbers are integers. Or we can say no rational number is an integer. ठीक है? So there can be more questions on this. I'm just trying to find some, For example, some horses are brown. So we can say not all horses are not, we can say no horse is brown. That will be the true negation of it, right? No horse is brown. ठीक है? There is no real number x such that x square is equal to -1. It is false that there is no real number x such that x square is equal to -1. There is at least one real number such that x square is equal to -1. Root 2 is irrational. Simple. Root 2 is not irrational. All irrational numbers are real number. So you can write it as it is false that all irrational numbers are real number, or you can say not all irrational numbers are real numbers. Now this is actually the inverse of what we did. Not all teachers are males. So you can simply say all teachers are males. That will be the negation of it. So for example, some horses are not brown. So you can say all horses are brown. That will be the negation of it. Some cats are not black. All cats are black. ठीक है? So I think I've sort of covered the different variations of this. If you have any doubts, you can cover them. I think I've taken the example as well as some of the exercise questions. Hopefully you understood this.